Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro 25H2 on Windows 11, and also how to create a new Windows 11 virtual machine using an ISO file. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'll guide you through everything from downloading to setting up your first virtual machine. First, open your web browser. Go to webpageaccess.broadcom.com. You can find the link in the video description. This is the official website where VMware Workstation is now available. Once the website opens, the first thing you need to do is create a new account. Look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Register button. Here, enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email address, because you will need it for verification. Next, to enter the code received in your email, and fill in basic details like your name and country. After filling in all the details, create a strong password. Click on Create Account. After registration, you may see an option to build your profile. You can complete it now or skip and do it later. Now log in with your account. After logging in, go to the My Downloads tab. Click on Here, next to the free software downloads available. Scroll down and find VMware Workstation Pro. Now select the version, VMware Workstation Pro 25H2 for Windows. Select Latest Build. Now the download icon and accept terms conditions checkbox disabled. Just click on Terms and Conditions. Now it will enabled. Check the box I agree. Now click on the download icon. You may be asked to fill a verification form. Enter the required details and click Submit. After submitting, Click the download button again, and your download will start. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file. Click Next. Accept the license agreement. Next. Choose installation location. Default is fine. Next again. Then click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Once done, click Finish. Now open VMware Workstation Pro from your desktop or Start menu. To create a new virtual machine, click on Create a new virtual machine. Select Typical, Recommended, and click Next. Now choose Installer Disk Image File, ISO. Browse and select your Windows 11 ISO file. Click Next. Configure Virtual Machine. Now enter virtual machine name and location. Click Next. Configure encryption. Enter password. Click Next. Disk size. Recommended 60 GB or more. Choose Split Virtual Disk into multiple files. Click Next, then click Finish. Windows 11 installation will start inside VMware. Click on black screen and enter any key in keyboard to continue setup. Follow the normal Windows setup steps like language selection, keyboard layout, follow the on-screen instructions, and that's it. So this is how you can download, install VMware Workstation Pro 25H2, and create a Windows 11 virtual machine step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.